and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be doing a wash and go. Wash and go. And I haven't done a wash and go in quite some time. I've actually been doing twade outs recently. I'm delusional a little bit because it's 5:36 in the morning, in the AM, and I've been up since 12. My sleep schedule have been off ever since this damn virus and shit. It's been off, sir, and I don't even know why, you know. But anyway, I've already shampooed and conditioned my hair. You guys know how this goes, okay? You know how this goes. I used the Kinky Curly knot today. I just got a new fresh one. And let me tell you, I forgot how good this was because if you guys don't remember, I diluted the other knot today and I started using a spray, which it was good, but it just took a lot to get the moisture. Whole head done, and this is all I've used so far, so I remember how good it is and I love it. So today though, I am going to be doing a wash and go with a foam. I was watching Candace Jones here on YouTube. If you're not following her, y'all should follow her. That's my friend. So I was watching her video and she used a foam for a wash and go, and it was so cute. It was so cute. I was like, I love that for you, friend. I love that for you. But that ain't for me, because y'all know I love gel. So, I mean, I might try it in the future one day when I don't care that my hair might just be fluffy, you know, just might be fluffy. But for right now, I just feel like I really want my hair to be cute, you know. So, I'm going to have to top it off with the gel. I'm going to be topping it off with the Wetline Extreme, the new bad boy, bad jiggy gem, with the Afro Sheen Texture Flexing Foam. You guys know Afro Sheen sent me a package and I did try out their oil spray. I wanted to try out the foam because it's the newest foam that I got, and since I'm gonna do this, I was like, listen, try something different, Kim. Don't just go for the same stuff you always use. Go for something new so you can show your friends so they can see if they like it and stuff like that. So girl, I had that conversation with myself, so we're doing it today. So Afro Sheen with the Wetline Extreme. I said Afro Sheen with the Wetline Extreme. What we got the Afro Sheen and the Wetline Extreme. Yes, extreme. Yes, extreme. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna take this off. Oh my gosh, my hair is good and moisturized. It feels so good, y'all, because I had twade out in my hair for a little hot minute. Like, I want to say 9 days. Ooh, it was so nice to just wear that though. It was still cute though, so I wasn't complaining about it. But let me go get some clips because I forgot some clips, y'all, because my hair is long enough for me to just wrap it and it stay. I'm so proud of myself. I mean, my hair, okay, let's just rewind that because my hair was longer than this before. I do cut my hair on a regular basis. I know I don't tell y'all that, but I do kind of like cut my hair a lot because I like shape more than length. But anyway, I'm still proud of myself. Hey, I got these clips right here that I got from the beauty supply store. Girl, they grip, you hear me, and they like, oh. So this is what my hair is looking like. I told y'all I was getting long. You know, it's been a minute since you seen me. Kinda, not really, especially if y'all follow me on TikTok and stuff. Please follow me on TikTok, guys. My name on there is Kimberly Cherrell. And if you want laughs, if you want dancing, because I am a dancer, if you want that, just please follow me and comment, because I need to know that my gang is there, because I feel like I get so many random people. You know, new people is fine, but I love y'all. Like, y'all my core. So follow me on TikTok because I love that. And I'm there all the time. I've added the leave-in in the shower. These are the towels that I got with my, you know, with my logo on there, baby girl. I do have some with purple writing and stuff too. But anyway, I'm going to take some of the water out of that because since we're using a foam, I don't know. So I'm going to start from the bottom. Y'all know how we do this. Start from the bottom. I'm gonna try not to start with a big section. So now I'm gonna go in with the Afro Sheen foam. Go ahead and take that bad boy off. I'm kind of excited. You know, you gotta do a few pumps before it come out. Okay, little 3 pumps might be a lot. Let's go for what we know. Did a little something. I wasn't really sure what it was doing, but it did a little something. Not really mad, not upset with this. It has really like tamed my frizz a lot. Look at that. It doesn't feel like it has a lot of holding power. I will say it got rid of the frizz, as you can see here, but I don't feel any holding power right now. It looks good though. So yeah, let me just go on top of that with the Wetline Extreme. Make sure we get it on those roots. and smooth it on down. Well, I be damned. Well, I be damned. That's looking nice. I like that. I feel like this gonna be Gucci. I like how the foam, it's a lightweight something before the gel, but it does something. You know what I'm saying? I don't feel like I'm just adding product. Like, I feel like it definitely gets rid of a lot of that frizz. Like, look how puffy this is right now. Look how puffy that is. Let's add the foam. I'm gonna go with my little 3 pumper, you know. Maybe that's like the secret number. 3 pumps. Work that in, let me work that in. Work that in, let me work that in. Say work that in, let me work that in. Work that in, let me work that in. But look at that definition already though. Let me know what y'all been doing though. Have you been productive? Have you been doing things with like doing things, or you been slack-a-lang? I don't know what you been doing. I'm going in with the gel. Oh, this works so good with the raking method. Ooh. Bruh, y'all just saw that right before your eyes, friend. Right before your eyes. I hope this come out right though. It's hella clumped, I'll say that. Let me go ahead and continue my hair, and I'm gonna come back when I'm done, friend. We're gonna be doing the same exact thing. Foam gel, foam gel, foam gel. My hair feels very moisturized with just the leave-in. And I think this foam is contributing to some of the moisture as well, because my hair doesn't feel dry at all. All right, you guys, so I am done with my hair, and I also decided to go ahead and do some edges. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to go ahead and do that. It's so shiny, y'all. It looks so good. I really like that I have been enhancing my edge game. I'm just loving it. But anyway, so I am done. Look at my hair, y'all. It looks so long right now. I don't know why it looks so elongated and stuff. It also looks very defined, and I'm kind of hype about it. Like, that foam really helped with how quickly I got it done, because it is water-based. Of course, it is a foam, so it helped with slip for sure. So using this and then going on with the gel, it just really helped the gel to glide on my hair a lot better, and I really like that. My hair looks really good. It looks full too. My hair looks thick. Oh, look at this angle. Look. Somebody come look at this. This is beautiful. I cannot believe it looks this good. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer, get some work done, I guess, on the computer. And then when I am finally done with my hair and I fluffed it out and everything, I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final results. Okay, you guys, so it has been 2 days since you guys last saw me. Yesterday, I just was not up to filming at all, but today I'm feeling much better. This is what my hair is looking like with the Afro Sheen foam and the new Wetline Extreme Gel with the blue top on it. So I paired these two together, and these are my results, friend. And it's very big. Like, I stretched it, but like, it took a long time to dry. I will say that. It took a little minute to dry. I did have to sleep with my hair a little bit wet, like 80% wet. And it's okay, but it's just, I know I wouldn't get as many days as I would get if I would have put a little bit of a heavier cream on my hair, or just kind of extra foam all at once. But it's still cute. It's fluffier. I will say that a foam definitely give you more of a fluffier look and more airy look, just a more carefree, airy type of wash and go. Nothing wrong with that at all. It's cute, as you can see. I look good. Like, it looks really good, but I'm just saying it's not one of my favorites. But I may try it again with other foams, or I may try to foam last, because since it gets rid of, like, I don't know, like frizz, I feel like it'd be a nice topper. I mean, I will say it is soft. It is a bit dry though. I don't know, it's a little nasty up in here too. If you like these results, you want to see how foam works, I highly recommend you trying it on your hair. Like, I don't not recommend it. If you have a foam and you have a gel, I recommend you trying it out just to see how your hair kind of clumps with the foam, because I feel like different foams are gonna make your hair clump differently. So I'm kind of excited to try other foams. So you may have a good foam. Like, if you have Nairobi, that may be a good foam to do this with, but I just don't have it right now. I don't mean to come on here. I actually, honestly, y'all, I was gonna end the video with the ending results that I showed y'all. Me sharing only that would have not been beneficial for y'all, because yes, my hair looks like that the next day, right? And if you guys caught my week of favorites last week, that was the hairstyle. This is the wash and go that I did in that video, okay? But it was cute that first day, and then you guys, some of you guys did see me on live. Tell these people it wasn't busting the day after that, was it, friend? It wasn't busting, was it? And here we are, we on day like 4. Like normally my day 4s is my best day. Ha! You already know I'm finna say, this ain't it, friend. This ain't it. It's dry. So I did use the Afro Sheen foam along with the Wet Line Extreme Gel. Now we already know that Wet Line Extreme Gel performs, right? We already know that. So I'm not necessarily sure if it was the fact that I put a foam underneath the Wet Line or if it was just this foam underneath the Wet Line. You know what I'm saying? There isn't any like flaking or anything like that, but my hair is dry. Maybe I should have added something else, but I was trying out the whole foam situation, and before it dried, it looked so good. What I think I want to do is, like I said, put the gel first and then the foam on top. I kind of feel like that'll be something I may like. Not sure, but I may like. But this ain't it, friends. This ain't it. This ain't it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.